Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna head over to a Publix and see if they have if they carry dry ice. I'm hoping they do. It's kind of hard to find, but I need to remove some more sound editing out of my car. And yeah, yesterday I put a new Walbro 255 fuel pump in my car. I had a Walbro in there before, but I feel like it was some kind of I don't even know, like a Chinese brand or like something, because it doesn't even look like the one I just put in. It looks totally different, and I was having issues with the car starting, so I think it was either going out or it wasn't like a true like high flow 255 or whatever. So yeah, I put that in yesterday, and I didn't do any filming with that. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that. My buddy Ryan is coming. My buddy, people can't drive. Yeah, my buddy Ryan's coming over. He just has to do something to his car, like coil packs or something. So yeah, he'll be over there, and Vince should be there too. I think he wants to do something to his car. So yeah, it's just a day of working on cars. So I'm gonna go get some food because I'm starving, and then go from there. So yeah. All right, so I got the dry ice. They had it at Publix, which is sweet. So basically, I'm trying to remove like all of this sound editing, at least. I still have it down there and stuff, but I don't think I have enough dry ice for all that. But the reason for it is, eventually I want to remove it all, but you know, one step at a time. So the reason is I changed my fuel pump, like I was saying earlier, and I had the battery box like right in here, and it covered this one corner, and I would like to move the box more like right there. So yeah, if anything, I just want to get the sound editing out of here, but I'm probably gonna try to do this whole section just while I have the ice, you know. But yeah, this is the fuel pump that I pulled out. If you can see that, it says Walbro, but I don't know what it is about it, but it just looks totally different than the one I put in there. It's like a lot smaller, and I don't know what it is. I'm guessing it's a true Walbro, but I'm wondering if this is actually the high flow 255. I don't know. If you know anything about it, let me know. I wish I filmed yesterday the one I got, but I got it from I went and picked it up from Next Gen Tuning. If you're local around here in Florida, then I'm sure you know what that is. But yeah, Next Gen Tuning, I'm pretty sure they carry the right shit. So the one I picked up from them, I know it's good. I started the car up. It started up right away. But the true test is gonna be when I'm at the track after a couple of laps, because for some reason after I go out there, the car gets hot. I'll shut the car off, and then I'll go to crank it over, and it just takes forever to crank over. So I'm hoping it was a fuel pump issue. If not, I'll have to figure it out. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna let that dry ice sit on there for a minute, and then go eat my sandwich and come back to it. So this dry ice has been sitting for a bit, so let's see what's going on with it. Oh yeah, sit for a minute. Move that like right there. Let me see. I'm probably gonna have to set this camera up because it's hard to do this with one hand. Let's see. I need to set this camera up. I need 2 hands. This, by the way, is my makeshift tripod. If anyone wants to donate me a tripod, like a legit tripod, hit me up in the comments. Yeah, this struggle is real. I gotta show you the other part too. It's very fucking custom. If I can find it. I think I found it. Yep. So yeah, a little behind the scenes footage of my my tripod setup. Ladder, 4-foot ladder, 2x4 with a screw in it. Just set my phone right on it. I need to move this somewhere better. There we go. Oh yeah. The beauty of dry ice. Comes up like it's nothing. I've done this before, and I think one of the main issues I had was I didn't leave the dry ice to sit long enough, because that came up super easy and I left that on there for a good, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. But I probably won't leave it on for that long, maybe like 10 minutes, and check it 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna keep going at it. I got most of the sound deadening out that I wanted to get out. Oh, this is out now for the most part. I'm gonna try to get this little piece off back here, and then that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this battery box. I wanna tuck it right in here. Yeah, that would still reach. The only problem I'm having right now is this strap that goes to it is broken, and it's like ripped right here. So I'm trying to think if I want to go to the auto parts store and buy a new one of these, and I forget how much they were. I think it was like 15 bucks or something. Or if I want to try to figure something like else out, like rig something up with like a strap or something. Because I have one of these. It's just regular old straps, but I just don't know if that's gonna work right. I don't know. I gotta figure that out, and probably gonna run to the store or something and look at how much those boxes are and just get a new one if it's not too bad. Alright, so I decided to go get another box. It was like $11, so I was like, alright, I'll just spend the money and get a new box. This one's still good, but it's seen better days, and the strap, like I said, is messed up, so I just got a new one. So what I'm gonna do is throw that in. I'm gonna get in here and try to get the rest of this, but it's pretty much done. And yeah. there. Yes, I'm using self-tappers, little short ones, and I'm just hoping I don't hit anything important. So, hopefully it's alright. That's what I did before, and nothing, I didn't hit anything, so it should be fine.
I'm sure you can fish it through, but it probably wouldn't be fine. So yeah, definitely put that strap under there. And then boom, battery box.
You hear that? That's the weirdest thing ever when dry ice makes that noise. It's like, I guess the metal is cooling down and it vibrates or something. It's really weird. It's funny though. Fun. You know what's really fun to do with that? Is if you have a water bottle, you put some of those in there, those little pieces, and you put the lid on, and that thing will explode. Shit's loud. I don't think I have a water bottle though, so I ain't gonna mess around with it. That's all the sound editing I got out of it. Let's get a little bit. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Quick little video. Not too much going on today. So yeah, anyways, I did the battery box, got some sound deadening out of it. I did the fuel pump yesterday, but I didn't film that. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.